Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to find your page logged in history on Facebook using your PC, updated for the latest Facebook layout. If you're curious about where your Facebook page has been accessed from, or just want to double-check your account's security, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, select the page you manage by clicking on its name or profile photo. This will take you directly to your Facebook page. Once you're on your page, look for your page's profile photo at the top and click on it. This will open up your page's menu. From here, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new set of options will appear. Click on Settings to access your page's main settings dashboard. Now on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Scroll down and find Activity Log. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page that shows all your recent activity related to your Facebook page. Within the activity log, look for the option labeled Where You're Logged In. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll find a detailed list of all the devices and locations where your Facebook page has been accessed. This includes the type of device, the browser, and the approximate location. If you see any unfamiliar devices or locations, you can log out of them right from this page to keep your account secure. And that's it. You've now learned how to find your page logged in history on Facebook using your PC with the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.